Hello and welcome to channel. This video is all about forward bay parking. So without wasting any time, let's jump in. I need to choose my bay and then the first line of the bay will be my reference line. So I will park behind this red car. So now I need to go straight forward to my reference point. I will show you where your reference point needs to be. Now I am at the reference point. At this point, if I will do full lock, I will go into the bay.
This is the reference point for me. It can be different for you depending on your seat adjustment. It can also be at different point every time you go for lesson if you will not adjust your seat as same as it was in your last lesson. So it is good to recheck reference point on your driving test day. You can also make reference point with second line of the bay to see where that line touching your side mirror.
I will check my surrounding and start moving and do full lock. Keep going in and then straight my wheel, check where I need to stop. You need to bring that stop line where bay is ending under your side mirror somewhere here, and then you can secure the car. At the end you can open the door and you can check if you are in or not.
You are in, and from front we have still enough room, and from back we are inside the bay. We are not hanging out.
So this is the end of today's video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave your feedback. I will see you in the next video. Peace.